Today we're looking at an Okuma 2016 installed in 2018 GP26W cylindrical grinder. We have a short program to run. Checking the Marpaw's gauging there. Spindle is turning. Probe in action. Guarding. We have no other machines running in the facility. There are approximately 681 hours on this machine. Walk around. We got the lift for the wheel, transformer, balancing stand, arbors, the lift. I have the coolant tank pulled out, filtration system. We have several books, manuals, centers, dead centers in the box, brand new. Well-equipped machine, ready to go for production. Thank you for watching our video.